Aloha, thanks for tuning in. Just reminding you that I am basically an ad agency, one woman show. I can build your website, optimize it for SEO so you come up in Google searches, teach you how to do blogging so that your blog actually is powerful and you can be really like number one in Google, like one of my business sites that just endlessly gets leads from SEO. And got a huge contract this year just from SEO. So it really does work. I am my own testimonial. I really believe in it. In addition, I do Instagram marketing. I do email marketing. I help with Facebook groups. I help with YouTube accounts. I can help with your LinkedIn. I'm just going to start dabbling with Pinterest and TikTok, which I haven't really dabbled in, strangely, but I'm going to give them a little trial run and see how they work for me as well. And I honestly am like, my head is so full of information and strategies because I've been in my business for 25 years and I've been serving clients for that